In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change keyboard layout to fix problem of typing special characters in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to proceed at the button search bar and type for settings. Once you've typed it, kindly wait until the best match should appear, and once it's here, please click on open to continue. By the way, you can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings window. So from here, please navigate to the left pane where you can see a list of the option. All you need to do is you need to navigate with the option called time and language. And from here, it will open up you with the for option. Please proceed with the second, which is language in region. So tap on it. And from here, you would be able to see the preferred languages or the display language that you have installed or that you have set here in your Windows. So it is very important or it is very crucial to set the language in your keyboard into English US. Okay? So that's very crucial because this might be, I mean, if you don't set it, it might be led to, I mean, it might lead you to an error of not having typed the special characters the moment you will type it or the moment you will use it. So how you can set the English US? In my case, it is already being set. How you can do so? All you need to do is you need to click on add a language, and then this way, you need to use this search bar here and type for English US. Once you've typed that, okay, or you can simply type for English US and please scroll down on the list and there you can see English US. So let me just scroll down. So in my case, it is being grayed out because as I've said earlier, it is already being set here in my keyboard language as well as my display language. But in your case, not. That's why you have a problem with typing special characters. So just tap the net, click on next and install that. And once you have installed it, it will now start on the downloading process. All you need to do is you need to connect to a Wi-Fi internet. Make sure that you are connected to a Wi-Fi internet before you will do the process. Okay, so the downloading process would be depend on the Wi-Fi speed that you are connecting to. Okay, all you need to do is you need to wait until it would be downloaded. Once done, please navigate to the three dots aligning to it. You can see there are more options and click on move up. In my case, the move up option is being grayed out because I have already set it as what I have said. And just click on it and it would be set as your keyboard language as well as. And if you would like to set it as your Windows display language, you can also select it by clicking on this down arrow key and go with this one. Once you're good, I would suggest to restart your computer to make any changes or to take the step into an effect. And once done, please check if you can now type for special characters. So try to type for Notepad here at the bottom search bar and click on the open. Okay. And let me just bring up my on-screen keyboard to completely show you what exactly keys I have pressed on. Okay, to completely show you. So let me just navigate to the best match and let me just click on open. Okay, so try to type for special characters. So just press one shift. Okay, shift. Okay, so just try to type for it. So yes, it's working this time. Okay, so that's it. Once you're good, you can now close the window and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day everyone.